This is a lovely one here.
This is Shanawach, the bog. That was my father home on holiday.
He loved the trips home.
He loved the trips home. And I knew from the word go I was Irish. My father, he was born in TSíthigh, Carrow. A lot of people from around there were in Huddersfield, but he came to Liverpool. I remember being in Carrow to escape the war. In those days still, we said the rosary in Irish, in the kitchen, before we went to bed. And we heard the shade of a all on the ground and all this. When I say my rosary, I always say it in Irish, and it goes right back to learning it in Tismeáin there. That was why I think it was so much a part of us as well, because his basic Irishness.
It was just deeply ingrained in him.
Deeply ingrained in him. I mean, the Connemara Gaeltacht to him was, you know, he didn't even think the same of the Donegal or the Kerry Gaeltacht.
Of course, he didn't.
He wasn't anti, I wouldn't say.
They're all like that.
I know.